project evolves, it can also get a bit tricky to be on top of every topic that you are involved in. It could be that you are working on an issue that has been temporarily assigned to someone else, and not every issue related to your discipline involves you directly. So to help you keeping everything under control and set up your own priorities and focus, I want to share 2 tips on how you can do that within BIMcollab. So the first one is to create your own issue classification using the flags. You can add green, yellow, or red flags to your issues, and this will be applied in personal level, meaning it is only for yourself. It is not seen and it isn't reflected to anyone else in the project. You can then classify the issues as you prefer and even use the flags as filters to focus on a specific set of issues when necessary. Here you can multi-select the issues that you want to classify and use the flags. You can add flags to issues very easily, and you can also have more than one flag attached to the same issue. So for example, you can use that as filter. So if I want to see all the issues flagged as green, I just click here and they will be available for myself, even the ones that are also classified as yellow, for example. There is another feature that can be quite handy in that sense too, which is to follow an issue. When you decide to follow an issue, you are then always notified when it's added or updated, regardless of being the issue assignee or being added as someone to be notified. This way, it is easier to be on top of all the issues that are of your concern.